There's many ways to make money with meme coins, but most of them suck. I've tried them all, from paid groups and sniper bots to automated trading and alpha calls. In this video, guys, I want to show you which methods I find good, better, and best, which ones have made me tens of thousands of dollars, and which ones have wasted my time. First up, we have sniping and front running. These are both bot-based strategies where you try to beat the other person into a trade, either right when the token launches or just before a big buyer places his order. Sound easy? Think again, guys. The people that are seriously profiting from these two methods are not using free tools. They have private bots, custom scripts, and sometimes even full teams dedicated to this. If you try this with a public bot or one you found on Telegram, chances are you're not going to be doing the sniping, you're going to be getting sniped. These are good methods in theory, but unless you have the serious tools and experience, I recommend your average user stay away. Next up in our better section, we have private groups, paid and free. These can be a gold mine or complete garbage. I've been in some private groups that are filled with real devs, actual traders, and people 100x my net worth, breaking down new plays, sharing private tools, and even buying bags for each other. Like, I've been in a group where a guy bought 500 extra of whatever is pumping currently at the time, just so a sleeping buddy could have a bag as well. Having real traders as friends is invaluable in this space. You'll see how they find winners, how they enter and exit their positions, and most importantly, how they think, which is something you cannot learn from a simple YouTube video. But here's the problem. Most groups are trash. Many of them are echo chambers, filled with hype and no results, or led by somebody trying to use you as exit liquidity. If you guys have found a strong community, I recommend you stick with it, but make sure you do your research. More than 90% of these groups are going to be using you in some way. If you guys want to join a free trading community where you don't have to worry about any of that, I recommend you join the Chonker Club, which is my own free Telegram group. Link will be in the description of this video. For our second better method, we have launching your own meme coin. This one's not only exciting, but can be extremely profitable if done correctly. The truth is, a lot of people that make those big bucks in the meme coin space are not trading. They're launching their own coins. They spin up a token, toss in some liquidity, get it trending on Twitter, and then they let the hype take over. But here's the reality. It's basically like a startup. You'll need money to provide liquidity, a solid dev who knows how to create and lock contracts, someone to handle marketing, and ideally a hook. Something viral or funny that'll draw people in. If you don't have a full team, you're going to be doing all that by yourself. I've seen plenty of guys try this solo, where they lose money on gas fees, the liquidity pool, and then eventually only have 10 people buy into their token. Creating your own meme coin can work, but requires planning, resources, and execution. This is definitely better than sniping in my opinion, but only if you have a plan and you know how to gain attention in this space. Now for the best methods. The ones that I use daily, and the ones that I recommend you do as well. These don't require any expensive paid bots, no full dev teams, and you do not need thousands of dollars to get started. Let's start with copy trading, guys. This is my bread and butter for a lot of my profits. So this is where I follow the smart wallets, the people who are actually making money trading meme coins. I follow them in and out of their positions, either manually or using automated tools and bots. This can be extremely profitable if you're copy trading the right people. So using this method, I've made tens of thousands of dollars, but I have spent many hours fine-tuning my strategy to find the best traders to copy trade from. I have other videos covering copy trading and full tutorials if you want to check those out. Second up is trading the narrative. At any point within the crypto space, there's going to be a hot or trending topic, such as AI, dogs, fart coins, you name it. These things then have coins created behind the idea. If you're tracking the narrative and tapped into the crypto market, you can easily get into these coins much earlier than your average trader. And that's where a lot of the 50x's and 100x's come from. This is another method that I've made many thousands using. You can easily start tracking narrative for free today by using Twitter, tracking newly listed coins, and being tapped into the crypto market. If you guys would like a more in-depth tutorial on narrative trading, go ahead and drop me a comment. If you guys want to check out my free trading club, where I hang out and answer questions, host giveaways, and chat with my community, check out the link in the pinned comments at the very top.